Hello, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the world of innovation and cutting-edge technology? Get ready to be blown away by Samsung's groundbreaking Galaxy S24 series, a collection of smartphones that redefines excellence and sets new standards in the realm of flagship devices. Imagine this. Just before the eagerly awaited Galaxy Unpacked event of 2024, a tantalizing peek into the Galaxy S24 Plus was inadvertently unveiled on Walmart's website. This accidental revelation spilled the beans on a multitude of features, setting hearts racing and anticipation soaring. Let's dissect what makes the Samsung Galaxy S24 series a game-changer. While the design might not scream a drastic departure from its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Plus, Samsung's primary focus has been to elevate the Galaxy S24 Plus with exceptional specs and features. Brace yourselves for an unprecedented 12 gigabytes of RAM in the Plus model, marking a significant leap forward in memory capacity. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. This powerhouse is equipped with a plethora of new features such as Live Translate, generative editing, and an extraordinary zoom function that promises to revolutionize the smartphone photography experience. However, while the design may not immediately incite overwhelming excitement, the larger screen of the Galaxy S24 Plus promises expanded viewing real estate, potentially paving the way for a larger battery. Despite these enhancements, there's speculation that certain highly anticipated features like on-device large language models or two-way satellite communication might not find their way into this flagship series, leaving some enthusiasts a tad disappointed. Samsung's confidence in the Galaxy S24 series is unmistakable, reflected in the surge of initial production for both the Galaxy S24 Plus and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And let's not forget those tempting limited-time pre-order bonuses, Samsung's tried-and-true strategy to entice eager customers awaiting the official release. Leaks and rumors have been swirling around the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, generating a whirlwind of excitement among tech aficionados. Recent renders have surfaced, showcasing these devices in all their glory. While they may not boast groundbreaking design changes, these models embody Samsung's dependable design language, ensuring familiarity and reliability for its users. Now let's move to the design and specifications of each model. Galaxy S24. It features a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340x1080. It will run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in the USA and South Korea, while the European variant will use the Exynos 2400. It offers 8 GB of RAM and storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB. The device houses a 4000 mAh battery with 25 EoE fast charging. Galaxy S24 Plus. This model boasts a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120x1440. It comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the USA and South Korea, while the European version uses the Exynos 2400. It offers a generous 12 GB of RAM and storage choices of 256 GB or 512 GB. The device packs a 4900 mAh battery with 45 EoE fast charging. Galaxy S24 Ultra. The flagship of the lineup features a 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3880x1440. It uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor worldwide, setting it apart from the S24 and S24 Plus. It offers 12 GB of RAM with storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB. The device houses a robust 5000 mAh battery with 45 AU fast charging. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series seems poised for success, with various improvements and smart choices in processor usage. A slightly lower prices for the S24 and S24 Plus make them attractive options, while the S24 Ultra offers top-tier specifications and a brighter display. As we approach the official launch, more details may emerge and the prices might vary based on location. Stay tuned for updates and feel free to share your opinions in the comments section.